Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter developer options on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section, and then here you have to tap on MIUI version button several times. Wait, not this one. I mean this line, MIUI version for POCO, several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find these developer options in the additional settings, and here they are. So here you have all of these very advanced, secret, hidden developer options. You can find them here and get to know with them by yourself. You can also disable them here, and after that they will disappear from the additional settings list. No more developer options here. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.